Cheers, anyone? Encourage. 6 on the base. Okay, looking good.
You're okay, Nicole. You're doing good. You're in the lead, Nicole. You can do it. You can do it. Easy. Competition. Yes, go. Okay.
You do it again. No worry, don't rush to have to put in the set again. Don't have to. You just continue on. Extra. Please do not damage the cup, okay? No sweat.
Oh, that one is out of shit.
Oh, shit, yeah. Finish done.
Slow and easy.
Come in, yo. Come on.
Slow and easy.
Okay, like let's so quickly.
Three.
Wow, 7.
The new cup. Oops. Yeah.
Slow and steady.
The wind is blowing.
You are blowing it, not the wind.
You catch it, Avionics.
Don't tremble, don't tremble. Okay, go.
Hey, wait, you shot one.
Shot a one.
You must have
Oh.
double stack it on the floor. You draw on the floor.
Cannot.
Start again.
Let's start again.
Well done, Nicole. The pass is shot on the floor. Very well done. Okay, slowly. Yes. Very well done. Well done. Okay, 9 seconds left. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do again. Hands off, yeah. Very good.
One will win. One second.
Very good. Well done. Cannot use hand. You can Lily. Don't use hand.
Disqualified.
Remember, your spaghetti must be in your mouth all the time.
That's again.
In your mouth all the time. Yes, very good, Gavin. Correct. You go to the next one. Nice. 3, 2, 1, stop.
Watermelon.
This on their finger.
Rings. Wedding ring.
The type of ring, the type of
Diamond.
ring. More than that.
More than diamond. Gold. Silver.
Oh, this is the little Japanese thing they call it animal cheese. The those Japanese things.
Oh, Hello Kitty?
Yeah. Now, this is, it is not a lie, but it's
Then,
a
X-A.
Yeah, got it. Oh, we are going through a,
Conversation.
no, you and I are going
Awkward
to,
time.
what time?
Awkward time. Games. Games.
Okay, you know, when we make,
Writing.
no, a kind of a
Dough.
flour, when you have those little
Oh,
things
bread.
that fall from the flour, the remnants of it are called,
Petals.
no, remnants of flour, and then you make them into something you eat. Okay, skip. Oh, you don't like this at all.
Mushrooms.
No, Singapore.
Smell. Durian.
Yep. The last one. Big white. Not you.
Marcel.
It's an animal. Big white animal.
Polar bear.
Yup.
Wow, why so many cameras?
Only one, eh?